The MSI MPG MT201DR dual monitor stand feels exceptionally solid, with heavy-duty arms that comfortably handle large ultra-wide screens without wobble once everything is tightened down. Its gas spring mechanism makes adjusting height and position very smooth, so you can easily line up two monitors and keep them at an ergonomic eye level throughout the day. The stand supports a generous range of monitor sizes, from typical office panels to wide gaming displays, and the VESA mounting pattern works with most modern screens. Tilt, swivel, and full rotation adjustments are all available, letting you angle each display precisely or flip one into portrait mode for coding, chat, or long documents. The integrated RGB lighting adds a subtle gaming flair that can blend nicely with other illuminated gear without turning the desk into a distraction. Installation is straightforward thanks to the choice of clamp or grommet mounting and a quick release plate, so once the base is secured, you can attach or swap monitors with minimal hassle.